Today I'll be showing you how I painted this flower in watercolors. The first thing that I do is I erase the pencil lines so they don't show through in my final painting. Then I apply my first layer of color with very light washes. I like to work petal by petal to help prevent the colors from running together. And my primary way of blending in this piece is to lay down color in an area and then take a brush with just clear water on it and pull the color down to create a nice fade type of effect. It is important to remember that before adding new colors, to wait until the previous layer is dry, otherwise the colors will just blend together and look muddy instead of getting darker and tinting the color. For the background of this piece, I just quickly painted a wash of water over the paper to help get a smoother layer of color and eliminate the brush strokes from being visible. I outlined the petals with black watercolor paint, and I waited until everything was dry, otherwise the colors would have run together. And then they would have been grayer and dull instead of pretty, vibrant, and pinks and purples. And when I draw these lines, I like to hint at the shapes and folds in the petals with different thicknesses of my lines, and I like to add little lines where the petals folds might be. I found after getting a lot of this done that I wanted my background to be bolder in color, so I ended up adding another layer or two. I then added some fun splashes with my metallic paints to the background. Something fun that I did in this piece was to add metallic paints of a similar shade to the tips of the flowers, so that way when the light catches it from certain angles, they are shiny. After doing all that, I decided to go through and re-outline my lines around the petals to make them a bit bolder. And that is it for this painting. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment and consider subscribing. And if you would like to see more of my artwork, you can check me out on Instagram at Natalie Fine Art or take a look at my website. The links to both will be in the video description.